Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Good evening.
Okay. Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I am doing great as well. Thank you so much. So tell me about yourself. Let's start with an introduction.
Yeah, sure, sure. So, as you know, my name is Nutan and I'm from Mathura, and I
Okay.
have just started working as a teacher. It has
Okay,
been
wow.
only 3 months. And talking about my qualification, then I'm graduate from commerce, and I have a YouTube channel by the name of English with Nutan Deep. And yes, I'm blessed with two kids. So this is all about me. Thank you.
Right.
Yeah.
So, where exactly are you from?
See, my hometown is Gurugram, and Mathura is my in-laws' place.
Okay, okay. So how is the place Gurgaon? Because I have been to Gurgaon this August only, and I won't say it was a bad experience. It was good for me. So how would you like to describe the place?
Talking about Gurugram, so as we know, all know that it has become really advanced. In I think in recent years, I can say, and it's totally visible. And yes, there is a hustle bustle in the like you can say the society in the environment as well. So much rush and
Right.
air pollution as well. But talking about Mathura, so it's quite as it's really famous because of the temples and it's really pious in the sacred place. So many people come over here to take a dip, holy dip into the sacred river called Yamuna River. And there are so many
Yamuna, yeah.
famous temple as well. And more than 5,000 temples are, all are dedicated to Lord Krishna. So many people, even
Wow.
foreigners as well, they come over here to have a vision of all the deities and different, temples.
Okay. So Mathura is a spiritual place itself. It is, I guess, the birthplace of Krishna, right?
Yeah, true, true.
Exactly, yeah. So, what can you tell me about the history of Mathura? If you could just give me a few details about the history of Mathura.
See, as we know, there's so many mythologies. If you just only this time you poke me, so I'll take moment to contemplate, then think.
Sure.
So yeah, so we know that Shri Krishna, Lord Krishna, so he just killed the demon Kans, as he was Kans was Shri Krishna's uncle.
Uncle.
In Hindi we say
Maternal
mama.
uncle.
Yeah,
Maternal uncle, yeah.
yeah. And Lord Krishna used to live with Yashoda Ma, and you can say they were his foster parents.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and so many, we can say the plays, pranks. Shri Krishna, Lord Krishna used to play, and he killed so many demons as well. And
Okay. He
you
was
can
a
say
notorious kid, during
yeah,
his
yeah.
young
And
time, yeah.
he destroyed so many, you can say the evils and the evils mentality as well. And always smiling face he used to, wear on his face. So, so many things. Talking about celebrations. So, on every festival, it is seen in Mathura. Like we celebrated with pomp and show and in a very scintillating way. Like many people, they just wear nice attire, and we observe fast, and then we celebrate all festivals. Talking about specifically Shri Krishna Janmashtami, so there's a massive celebration, you can see, over here. So
So,
there are
so,
so many
yeah.
stories connected with the Lord Krishna. If I start counting, so I might be subsiding to think, but there are so many.
Yeah, exactly. You might forget one or two.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, because
Exactly.
all of a sudden, if somebody, sorry to interrupt you, all of a sudden somebody asks
No, no,
you, so that's really normal thing. It's a human nature. So
exactly.
yeah,
And you know what it is? Like mythical stories are something, and in Hinduism, there are so many stories, you will definitely miss, a few portion of it.
yeah, right, exactly.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah. So,
So
what about you? Are you a pious person?
yes, of course, I would not say kind of pious, but I can say I'm God believing and God loving personality. I really believe
Uh,
in God. God in the not in the form of always deity, in the form of that's totally, you can say, invisible, meaning the Almighty, the
energy.
the the supreme power. You can say the energy, the lights that I really believe in. So before in that
Exactly.
we get into the conversation, I would like to know about you. Would you please,
Absolutely.
if you don't mind? Yeah.
Surely. Yeah, yeah. So, I'm Ruchira Mukherjee. I have been working with Clappingo since it's going to be 3 years. Yeah. So for
Okay.
me, it has been a great journey. It's very flexible, and I got to know about so many people out there because here, we have learners from worldwide. Okay.
Yeah.
So meeting people from different background, different culture, different religion, like different countries, so many other, aspects I can, tell you about. And it's wonderful because, communication is what, makes you stronger in life, in future.
True. Agree.
Exactly. And I got to know, like, I knew about so many new things. Okay. So that is what it is. And I am also learning with time. That's what I feel.
Okay, okay. Meaning you are
Exactly.
enjoying this journey, working with
Absolutely,
Clapping Go.
absolutely. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Communication is what can actually keep you energized also. Like, you will never feel lazy or you will never feel, that your energy is draining while you're talking. I don't feel that way. I don't know if people feel it that way or not. But I feel like, I feel more energetic while talking to people.
Yeah, great, great. That should be the spirit, enthusiasm. Right, right.
Exactly. And you teach
Okay.
in a school, you said, so what's your like subject, major subject?
See, it has been just 3 months, and when I embarked this journey, so that job I just got out of the blue, you
Oh,
can say. I just got that job just because of my confidence level and my English as well. So I got that
right.
job, and it was totally Hindi medium. So 15,
Oh,
16 days
it's in
ago.
Gurgaon only.
No, no, I'm living in Mathura.
Mathura. Okay. Oh, your
Yeah.
in-laws is in Mathura and you're staying in Mathura only.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
This is what I
Huh.
was trying to explain you. Yeah.
Okay.
So then like 15, 16 days ago, I just, dropped from there, and I was just looking for another job because somewhere I have been, contemplating to do something bigger, as the previous school was totally Hindi medium. So I was not getting that kind of environment. And you can say somewhere I was lagging behind. I was feeling like, because there was no
Growth. You didn't see
ambience.
the growth.
Yeah, yeah, that was the main reason. And the thing was, somewhere I was not befitting over there. So what I thought, let me do something else. And I just went to my kids school. There I appeared for the interview, and I nailed that. The conversation was
Wow.
25 to 30 minutes. It was totally in English, and I was, thoroughly enjoyed, and was totally in English. Even the principal ma'am who took my interview, she was also
Interview.
in, she was, far better than me, because she has been doing it for a very long
Of
time,
course.
so that
Yeah.
makes a
Yeah.
very big deal. And I have just initiated my this journey. So talking about the subject, so I teach echoes. This is all about, listening and speaking and the communication. So I have to have the student understand about the listening skills and the speaking with the help of digiboard. This I have to do, and I have been doing. I'm learning so many new things, you can say. I'm just exploring over there, but literally I'm enjoying.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Teaching is the kind of profession where you will enjoy. If you're patient, definitely you will enjoy. There are people, who are impatient and who do not have the patience to actually sit with a child and teach. During that time you will not enjoy teaching, and I have seen,
Yeah, right.
girls are better teachers than boys. I don't know about this, but in maximum cases
It
this is what
varies,
it
we
is.
can't say, we never know. It
Actually, yeah,
varies.
but in my experience, like, I have met amazing men teachers also, but I've seen that, men or, any kind of boy, they have a little less patience than what women have, like talking
Yeah,
about
but
the patience. Yeah,
see, we all have our own notions and the narratives that we have set. And
absolutely. Yeah.
it depends on our side, like how we are, like, having the kind of perception towards the people, towards the things, towards the situation. So it varies, and it just varies
Exactly. The
individual to
environment
individual.
is also, yeah, very
Yeah,
important. So you
yeah.
have two children, you said. So how is it being a mother to two children? How do you like,
Yeah,
how's the work-life balance?
uh, I'm, as I just told you, I'm thoroughly I'm enjoying, as I don't have any complaints. And I always feel like that I'm really, really lucky enough, fortunate
Mm.
enough, that I'm living such a beautiful life. God has given me such a beautiful life. This, I think, I totally, I believe in this. I totally believe in this. And the thing is,
You're
I'm really,
grateful. You're very
yeah,
grateful for your life.
grateful. And I always showcase the gratitude. So things are going really well, and if there is some kind of, you can say, the mess or anything, chaos, so I just you can say, ignore them. And I try to do things in my level best, anything up to, my you can say, the expectations. Not
Right.
expectation, I would say. The thing is, like, if it is in my control, then I'm going to control. If it is not, so I think that let it be. this things has to go with the flow, so let it be. So I don't think much, and
Exactly.
I'm just truly enjoying my life, and things are going effortlessly. I don't have any
Exactly.
kind of complaints.
Wow, that's a very positive attitude towards life, you know. Very less we get a chance to actually say it out loud that, yeah, I am enjoying my life and I'm happy and grateful for what we have. Like, talking about the recent scenario, in the present time, we are busy with our work, too much busy and engaged with
Yeah.
our work and with a lot of other things. We are engaged with our mobile phones, a lot of screen time. And this is
Mm-hmm.
what somehow, makes us very cranky and the patience is like, little
Yeah,
less than
peevish.
what
Yeah, right.
exactly. We get cranky, we'll become sad, we are very, very moody, basically. We become moody. So in this era, telling that I'm very grateful about my life and I'm actually happy with what I have is like absolutely it's something I would want to hear every day or I would want
Oh,
to say every day. But I somehow, I'm a person, I'm happy, but then I'm also very moody. Okay. So I at least there will be, once or twice in a day I'll complain about something.
okay. Yeah,
Exactly.
people have such kind of mental. They are kind of picky, choosy,
Exactly.
and
Yeah.
somewhere they are getting swayed, influenced by the people, by people's behavior and
Environment.
the
Yeah.
situations as well. Because we know that nowadays we are totally encompassed with the social media, such platforms, and always just inclined towards scrolling videos and all the stuff we are doing when we get time. And all the time we are occupied, we are totally swamped. When we have extra time to spend that quality time with the family members, so that time what we are doing, we are using our mobile phone, and we are totally lean towards, totally engrossed with that.
Exactly. Yeah. What about you? How much screen time do you generally, give or like how do you control yourself? Or what is your routine basically? Tell me about your schedule.
See, I have to punch in my school the biometric up to 7:15. So I wake up 5 a.m. and I'm trying
Okay.
my level best to at least I need to wake up 4:30 in the very
Okay.
early morning. That I am
By
not doing.
7:15 you need to reach school.
Yeah, I need to punch, or else I'm
Okay.
late. Or else I'm late.
Oh.
It is
Yeah.
like it is to be counted as I am late now. So there I
Oh.
have to punch. Yeah, and after that, throughout the day, 7 hours I have to spend, and then 2:15. That's my departure time. So throughout the day, sometimes I get a vacant period. So there, sometimes I am like listening the spiritual things, spirituality related videos. This I listen, not I'm watching. See what I do, I totally believe in listening things, not watching always. Like I watch little, but I am
Okay.
really believing in listening the things carefully, so that I can just upskill my listening skill. That is really
Right.
important in communication skill, specifically in
Okay.
English language, right? So whatever like I'm watching, I just clicked any video, so there I'm not watching. What I'm doing, I'm listening that. So this I do.
Okay.
And then around 3 p.m. I just come to my home, reach to my home, and then I have to do my home chores, let's say. Like in the morning, I'm like done with all the things, but after coming from the
Okay.
school, I have to make the piping hot chapatis for my kids, because they really like piping hot chapatis.
Oh
This
wow,
is
yeah.
why, yeah,
In
this I do.
Hindi, I guess it's known as
Garma garam.
fulke or garma
Yeah,
garam.
yeah, garma garam chapatis this way.
Uh,
Specifically my son. So for him, I do this. And
okay.
then anyhow I manage, and then I do sometimes sessions, like people who approach me, who mail me for the conversation. So then I do. And sometimes if I'm not getting any approach, any like mail from people, so how I just retain this continuity to speak in English, I just drop messages. There are few groups, so I'm also the part of those groups, so I drop the message for
Okay.
audio call at least, so that I can handle that, and I can keep myself in the loop, I can keep myself updated in this English language. I don't want to lag behind. So this I do.
Okay.
Yeah, and now after
Exactly.
that it's evening time, so I have to just go into the my puja ghar, and there I have to lighten the diya and everything, and after that prepare for the you know get into the
Dinner.
kitchen, and then prepare for the dinner and something like that. Meanwhile, sometimes I do the session as well. audio session.
Okay.
Like one
Yes,
side
yes.
I'm like doing the things like making the vegetables and making the
Audio, so
chapati.
you don't need. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and I just put my call on speaker, and this is how I manage. And there was a time, meaning
Wow.
6 7 months, I had been doing the same thing. Now I stopped because I'm quite erratic now. I don't get time. I'm totally swamped with my own work. But the
Work, yeah.
when I started my this journey to connect with people, meaning 10 months ago, so I was this much excited, and I can say having the zeal, the fervor inside that I need to talk with anyone. I need to talk with
Yeah,
anyone. So this I had
exactly.
been
That
doing,
was
but
the
now I stopped.
enthusiasm you had. Yeah,
Yeah, but now you can say I have stopped because I don't have much time for the conversation. This much
exactly.
conversation, like five, six,
You said,
7, 8. It's really
yeah,
makes a big deal. Earlier, I used to do.
right. So you have a YouTube channel, you said, and like what kind of videos do you generally post?
See, it has been 10 months, and I have been uploading conversational videos, and like in between, amidst them, I just uploaded, I think 4 5 times my solo video. And when I initiated my this journey of making videos, as I didn't have any speaking partner 3 years ago, so I used to make my solo video. But that time I was really tentative, really, filled with always, shyness, filled with the fear as well. But I had somewhere in my heart, in the corner of my heart, so
You
the
knew,
kind of
yeah.
passion, the passion I had, so I needed to do something. I needed to do something. This I earlier used to think. And anyhow, I managed to make my solo videos. I just assembled that courage to make my videos, and this is how I just embarked my this journey, and now I'm good to go, and now I feel much
Absolutely.
comfortable with the people. There was a time I used to feel really shy in front of gents. I just that time I
Oh,
could not speak with them. Yeah,
okay.
it's not about English, even Hindi as well. But now
Hindi, yeah,
I have become this much comfortable and confident that I can interact with them.
exactly.
Yeah.
It was something like, you had it was shyness. You can say shyness.
Yes, yes.
Exactly,
Now I
yeah.
can say I have come out from that particular confinement, and now somewhere I'm winning laurels. Laurels in the form of becoming really confident and
Day by
becoming
day, yeah.
really contented as well. Because nowadays people are not really contented. They are somewhere searching the happiness outside in the
Happiness. A
materialistic
lot of places.
life, but not inside. They are looking into, right. And this I don't do. I just can't do. I always prefer
Exactly.
myself to see inside what I think inside, what is here occur in my mind, and what is the kind of things I'm dwelling into. So this I always contemplate instead of searching
Exactly.
outside. Yeah.
So happiness is something I also feel like, you get it like within. You have it within. You just have to realize like how do you want to be happy or what can actually make you happy.
Yeah, right, right.
Exactly, yeah. It is
Happiness.
different for the, yeah, you
Mhm.
like, you said you want to talk and that's how, you feel confident and that is what makes you happy. For me, it's like, I like sketching, painting and listening
No,
to
no,
music.
no. I was saying it's not about that makes me happy. It's about how
Okay.
I am to, just to go with flow. I need to go
Okay.
with flow, meaning I need to just get into the conversation so that I can retain this continuity to speak in English. This is what I was talking
Exactly.
about. It's not about
Oh,
I feel really happy when I'm connecting. I'm like, okay, I'm okay, okay. But I would not say I'm
uh-huh.
really great. I'm feeling ecstatic. I am talking with the people.
You
No.
feel happy for yourself.
Yeah, this you can say because I'm making efforts. I'm putting in efforts, and I have put in efforts so much so far.
Yeah. Basically, you're happy for your growth and like, how you are improving day by day. That's what makes you actually happy,
Yeah,
isn't
and if
it?
I'm not, yeah, and if I'm not growing, so it doesn't matter for me. Doesn't matter. It's not a very big concern for me. I'm always contented. The things I'm getting, if I'm not getting, it's okay because that's not in my
Exactly.
control. So there I
Right.
can't waste my my mind, my thoughts.
And your energy.
Yeah, true, true that.
Exactly. Yeah. So, like you said, you are having this YouTube channel for the last 3 years, right?
Yeah, I think I would say more than 3 years. In the
More
month
than
of
3 years.
July, I'm going to complete 4 years on YouTube. But one
Wow.
thing I did,
Okay.
I stopped for 1 year. I dropped everything for 1 year. I didn't do anything for 1 year. I didn't make any single video. And then again, I bounced back, meaning 2023. And since then, I have been making videos like on and off. That time, I was also not really regular. But this year, meaning 2024, I had been really regular with the conversation, you can say, connecting with the people
Right.
regularly. Yeah.
So it's like, gaining followers. If I talk about like is it like depends on your luck or it depends on hard work? Like how actually can you gain followers?
See, to me, in my opinion, I don't think about the followers, the views. When I initiated my this journey of making videos and I would upload them on YouTube, I would again see them. So the thing that I had in my mind, that somewhere I'm doing something. I'm not sitting idle. This only thought I had. Not ever I thought that okay, I'm to gain viewers and views as well, and I need to earn money, and I can earn money from YouTube. Never thought, never ever imagined. And yes, nor I did imagine about the job which I am doing. I never thought
Today.
of this. So it just happened out of the blue. The first job I'm talking about, which was totally Hindi medium school. But this job, you can say I nailed this, because for this I made a effort. I would not say that anyhow I just got this job. I received this
Exactly.
job.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did something. I put in efforts, and in return, I got this job. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. And congratulations, and I wish you all the very best for your
Thank
upcoming
you.
days.
Thank you.
Exactly.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah.
Exactly. Anyway, like anything you would like to say while we conclude the session? Anything?
Yeah, I really appreciate Clapping Go, because I would say 5, 6 times I watched a few videos. Let's say
Right.
I think Priyanka Kataria. I don't remember the people's name, but I found it
Okay.
really interesting. As the conversation they do, meaning the tutors, they do the conversation. It's really enthralling, really interesting, intriguing somewhere. So I really appreciate them. I appreciate
Thank
you
you
as
so
well.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much on Clapingo's behalf as well. And definitely the team and everybody works hard here. Okay. So the main thing is we enjoy our work and simultaneously even the learners are enjoying and they enjoy having sessions with us. So that is the
Yeah.
best thing. Yeah.
Yeah. This should be the
Exactly.
spirit. Exactly. This should be the motto
Exactly.
as well, that we are
Absolutely.
imparting the knowledge, and in return they are getting something. They are understanding as well, meaning
Actually,
the
yeah, yeah.
learners. They are not wasting their
Exactly.
time. They are learning something, and they are extracting the benefit from that teaching. Yeah.
Particular session, definitely. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So it was great meeting you, Nutan, and hopefully, maybe we can
Yeah.
meet some other time
Yeah.
as well.
Likewise.
Hoping for
Yeah.
the best, yeah.
Yeah. I
And
thoroughly enjoyed talking with you. Thank you so
same
much.
here.
Yeah.
Same here.
Okay.
Yeah, I wish you all the very best for your life ahead. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you. Thank you.
connecting. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Okay.
Okay. Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.
Take care. Yeah,
Yeah. Bye
bye.
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 Yeah.